Wait, is this viral mascara actually amazing or just another internet scam? I tested the Dulorantocosh Waterproof Fibre Mascara so you don't have to. So this mascara claims to give dramatic length, volume, waterproof wear, zero clumps, and even works like a lash serum at the same time. According to the official website, it's designed to create thicker, jet black lashes while being easy to remove with water. Sounds almost too good to be true. Here's where things get interesting. The product page is packed with marketing claims, huge discounts, and promises of thousands of happy customers. But when I searched for independent reviews, there weren't many trusted sources talking specifically about Dulorantocosh. Even more interesting, I found nearly identical mascara listings on other websites using very similar descriptions and product photos. That's usually a sign to do extra research before buying. Now, does that automatically mean it's a scam? No, but it does mean you should be careful. One website that analyzes online stores gave Dulorantocosh a medium trust score and noted that it's a relatively new website with limited independent reputation data. So here's the verdict. If you're curious, use a payment method with buyer protection and don't assume every review on the store is real. Could it work? Absolutely. Is it proven to be the miracle mascara TikTok claims? Not yet. Sometimes the biggest glow up isn't your lashes, it's avoiding a bad purchase. Follow for more viral product investigations before you spend your money.